Welcome again to my tens and tens of friends. It is me, Teacher TJ, and today we will be rewinding and reviewing Abbott Elementary, Season 1, Episode 7, Art Teacher. This episode starts off in our favorite spot, the teacher's break room. There is a teacher speaking. Apparently, she's been speaking for a small amount of time, but no one knows her name, not even Ava. She's over there talking about who is she? Is she the gym teacher? Because I don't really mess with them. Everyone claps after she's done speaking, and Janine pops in with a cake for her. Turns out she's retiring, and Janine is pretty much the only person who knew who she was, and the only person who knew that she was retiring. She also knew that the teacher liked Bermuda, so she brought her a Bermuda cake. Turns out the teacher did not know who Janine was. The show starts with Janine talking about her college friend who is an art teacher working with them. Over in the cafeteria, Jacob is trying to strike up a conversation with adults about Twitch, but no one is interested. They look at the kids' lunch and are somewhat disgusted because it's school lunch. Jacob comes up with a plan to start a garden to get healthier food for the students at school, and he decides to start the garden with Barbara. Next, over in Melissa's class, she is excited about the upcoming school project of Peter the Rabbit. But Janine's friend, the art teacher, her name is Natara. She wants to elevate the project and goes on to talk about capitalism and some other stuff to make the program bigger. Back with Barbara and Jacob, they're in the garden and they have the whole garden get up on, the hats and the gloves and jeans. Because as teachers, if you give us an opportunity to put on an outfit for the occasion, we will definitely do so. Gregory goes to visit and explains why he hates gardens. Apparently, he spent a decade or so gardening with his dad during summers, and he just really hates it now. In the hallway, Melissa and Atara are having a heated discussion because Tara wants to elevate the school project and Melissa feels it's good enough, leave it alone. Natara insists on doing the project while Janine is telling her Melissa said no and please let it go. But Natara influences Janine to say yes and to go with her plan. Jacob and Barbara have grown something in the garden for the lunchman to cook for the students, but the lunchman just throws their vegetables away right in their face. That discourages Barbara, and she realizes that she pulled a Janine, trying to do the most, and yeah, no, I guess she should probably do less. I don't know. Natara and Janine meets with Principal Ava in her office, and Ava is online ordering jeans, and Natara gets her to agree to allow them to elevate the school project. Melissa's old school project idea is not great in Natara's eyes, so she gets Ava to agree with elevating the project and also using the school library. In the break room, Jacob brings in zucchini that didn't come from the garden but from local markets. He stayed up cooking zucchini the entire night for the entire school. Barbara was impressed and excited about the garden again. In the library, Natara has invited Melissa to check out the work that she had did. And Melissa states she's basically only interested in seeing bunnies that are a yearly project. When Melissa goes into the library, she sees paper bunnies all through the garden. And after taking a closer look, she realized that the paper bunnies were actually made from her books. Melissa takes off her earrings at this point, and Janine looks worried because We know what time it is. Next, we see Melissa with two heavy books. It looks like she wants to bludgeon Natara with the books, but Janine didn't allow that. So Natara or Sahara goes on to tell Janine they need to get better books for the school because Peter Rabbit has been done so many times, and she calls Janine a conventional thinker, and Janine asks her to leave. She explains that Sahara's real name is Sarah, and she had a lot of fun with her in college, but obviously they have outgrown each other. I encourage my children to live their own individual lives because you think that someone is going to be your friend forever. Back at the cafeteria, Jacob shows up with his zucchini, and the cook is the least bit interested in Jacob's vegetables. But Barbara lets him know Jacob stayed up all night preparing those zucchinis for the children at school. The cook accepts the zucchini and immediately tosses them in the trash because accepting cooked food from outsider is a health code violation. Janine made a museum out of Sahara's art in the library, and she invited a small group of art collectors, and they sold the art to make money to buy the books back. At the end of this episode, Jacob invites everyone to look at the garden, and he's excited about the flowers that are growing. But little does he know, he's really not as great as he thinks because Gregory has secretly done all the work. Well, that is my review for this episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next one. Bye, teens.